C, language, also known as Romani. And Keith, your final question of the round right here, your most difficult question. What Polynesian island in the southeastern Pacific Ocean is known for its moai statues built by the Rapanui culture between 1250 and 1500 CE?
Maui.
Saying Maui here?
Yeah.
Actually, we're looking for Easter Island. Easter Island on that one. And Nick, your final question of the round right here. Built in the 1300s for King Suryavarman II, this historic site is regarded as the greatest symbol of Khmer architecture and the world's largest religious monument. What is it?
I have an idea, but I don't even know how to say it.
If it's in another language, you can make an attempt.
No,
It doesn't have to be
I'm
English.
even gonna go for it. I think I'm gonna pass on this one. I don't.
Sure.
I don't
Starts
know
with an A. Was that what you're coming across?
Something like that. I don't even know how to go about the spell it either. So.
And just spurt something for us. Am I gonna try?
No.
We're looking for Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat, located in Cambodia, of the Suryavarman II historic site, one of the greatest symbols of religious architecture in the world. That wraps up our round. So it's time for our viewer question of the week right here. On what day does Earth Day take place? Give us a call, 319-338-8456. You're watching the Smartest Iowan on PATV, Channel 18, Iowa City. All right, we are back, and we have our score right here. Nick has 40 points, Keith has 50, but we must move on. You ready for round two, guys?
Yes.
All right, let's get going right here. Question one of the round. The Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorders, published by the American Psychiatric Association, provides standardized classification for mental disorders. There have been multiple revisions to the manual. What is the current edition? Very long question right there, but what is the current DSM? Is it the third? Is it the fourth? Or the fifth DSM? DSM 3, DSM 4, or DSM 5? And show them off. So I see A on one side, and I see, let's see, over here, B on the other. That is, the correct answer is B. Yes, this is correct. DSM 4. Question two of the round right here. A language developed by twins that only the two children can understand is called what? Is it A, Agrammatism, B, Receptive bilingualism, or C, Cryptophasia? Language developed by twins that only the two children can understand is called what? A, Agrammatism, B, Receptive bilingualism, or C, Cryptophasia? Show them off. I see B on one side and B on the other. Correct answer here is C, Cryptophasia. Agrammatism is the inability to speak grammatically correct, interestingly, and also receptive bilingualism is the ability to understand another language but not be able to speak it. So question three of the round right here, moving along. The grocery store checkout lane sign, 20 items or less, is not grammatically correct. Which of the following is grammatically correct? Is that A, 20 items or lesser, B, 20 items and less, or C, 20 items or fewer? For those of you who didn't hear it, our viewer question of the week, on what day does Earth Day take place this year? Give us a call, 319-338-8456. I see answers on both sides. I see B on one side, and I see B on the other. Correct answer here is C, 20 items or fewer, interestingly. So the word less is only used for non-discrete things, amounts or a degree, but fewer is something that relates to countable items, so a smaller number. So when you hear the 20 items or less sign, that's absolutely grammatically incorrect. So question 4 right here, which of the following plants is poison ivy? So question 4 here. A, we have one with quite a few leaves. B, that's a nice color of green, pointy leaves. See another one, really similar to B, more rounded shaped leaves. And I see B on one side, C on the other. The correct answer here is B for poison ivy, leaves of 3. Let that one be. Look for those pointy ends on them. But also, if you come across these other two, A there is poison sumac, and also C is poison oak. So be careful. It's springtime now. We're all going outside. So watch yourself. Question 5. What does the word levity mean? Is it A, to bring to attention, B, lacking seriousness, or C, light in weight? What does the word levity mean? Ready, showing it. Keith's got his answer right there. I see B on one side, B on the other. Correct on both sides. Lacking seriousness with levity. And question 6 here. Which of the following words is spelled correctly? Difficult one. Spell the word entrepreneurship. Spelled this word correctly. All right, I see A on one side, C on the other. Correct answer here is A for entrepreneurship. Spell it. Very difficult, as far as I'm concerned. You got Keith has no problem. Question 7 right here. It's our math question of the week. Pretty difficult one. Simplify this problem. It's 2x plus 5y in parentheses plus 3x minus 2y in parentheses. This one, math major at Kirkwood. Thank you for TACFU helping tonight. Let's see 5x to the second power plus, what is it, 5y squared as well? 3y squared. And let's see what Keith has here. We have 5x minus 3y. And actually for this we're looking for 5x plus 3y on this one. Just a dash on the So question 8 right here. Draw a soccer field. What does a soccer field look like? A few particular aspects we'll be looking for this. Our judge is a part-time soccer referee, so he'll be judging this one for us. And show him off. And let's see what our judge thinks about this one. We've got soccer players on both sides here. What we're looking for is a goal area, penalty arc, penalty mark, corner arc, circles, center circle rather, halfway line. They're all being represented here fairly well. Is it goalie boxes?
Yeah, those are the goalie boxes. That helps.
And not seeing anything from the judges. It looks like Keith has his correctly and Nick does not. Is that what I'm understanding? All right, so Keith is correct here. Excellent try on this side. Goalie boxes were just too large.
Yes.
So question 9 here. It's time for our Texas Roadhouse viewer question of the week. Let's see what last week's winner has for you guys right here.
Hi, I'm John Sullivan.
And I'm Tim Sullivan, and we're last week's winner of the Smartest Iowan. Here's this week's question.
Iowa football has had one Heisman Trophy winner in Niall Kinnick. They've also had two be runners-up